everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So this particular video would be helpful for the students. First, the ones that are in their 6th semester of their graduation, and also for the ones that are trying or that are planning to pursue their masters, that is the PG course or their M.Phil PhD from the Delhi University. And for them, a quick alert is that from today onwards, that is from the 26th of July, the application of the same is starting off. So do not forget to fill off those forms and grab the opportunity for the same. I just wanted to make sure that you do not skip off this important day. That's the reason why I planned to upload this particular video. So from today onwards, go to the Delhi University main site and do not forget to apply for the main course or for the course that you are planning of to pursue for the same. So from today, that is from the 26th of July until the 21st of August, you have time for filling of these forms. So you have almost 20 to 25 days for filling of these forms. So I would suggest you that do not wait for the last minute. If you are planning out for the same, just fill up the forms as soon as possible and get your work done. So thank you so much everyone for watching. This was all that I wanted to share. So it was a quick alert for you all that if you have skipped off this particular date, so do not skip off this date and do not forget to fill off your form. So thank you so much everyone for watching, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you find the content helpful and useful for your preparations. And I'll see you soon. Bye.